Which of the following input devices is used as a personal computer, peripheral, or general control device, consisting of a handheld stick that rotates around a luge and moves the screen cursor around rotates? Microphone, MICR, biometric, joystick.
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 Joystick. It is an input device that has a stick attached to it that rotates on a base and reports its angle or direction to the CPU. It is used in video games, simulator training, etc. Which type of mouse uses laser rays for cursor movement on the computer screen? Which type of mouse uses laser rays? Optical, electrical, mechanical, gyroscopic.
Electrical.
Optical mouse uses laser to detect the movement of the mouse. Which of the following mouse actions is commonly used to start a program or open a file? Right click, left click, double click, drag and drop. Which mouse action is used to start a
Double
program
click.
or open a file?
Double click.
Double click, बिल्कुल. Double click on mouse action is usually used to start a program or open a file. Which is odd one out? Joystick, printer, keyboard, mouse.
Printer.
Why?
A printer output.
बिल्कुल. Printer is an output device whereas mouse, keyboard and joystick are input devices. All of the following are examples of various input devices except what? Speaker, mouse, keyboard, optical scanner.
S- Speaker.
बिल्कुल स्पीकर एक्सेप्ट କହିଛି ମାନେ ଯୋଉଟା accept ହେଇଥିବ ସେଟା ହବ output. ତ speaker is an output device whereas mouse, keyboard and optical scanners are input devices. Which of the following statements regarding input devices of computer is incorrect? They convert input data into digital form. Mouse is an input device. Data entered through keyboard are directly transferred to memory data register. They are used to send data to the computer.
Third.
बिल्कुल data entered through the keyboard are directly not transferred to the memory data register. First they go through CPU, then they are transferred to the memory data register. All others are correct. They convert input data into digital form. They are used to send data to the computer. Mouse is an input device. Which of the following is not a portable device? Not a portable. iPod, laptop, thumb drive, desktop computer. डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर बिल्कुल. Which of the following input devices is a block device? Tape drive, keyboard, USB port, mouse.
USB board.
Tape drive. Tape drive is a block device that is data storage device that reads and writes data on a magnetic tape. Data entry cannot be captured by which of the following? Data entry cannot be captured by which of the following? OCR, OMR, COM, MICR. କାହା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଡାଟା ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି କ୍ୟାପଚର ହେଇପାରିବ ନାହିଁ? OCR, OMR, COM, MICR।
COM,
COM बिल्कुल। OCR फुल फॉर्म कौन?
optical
Optical character
character recognition,
ऑप्टिकल
recognition.
कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्निशन बिल्कुल। OMR
optical mark reader,
बिल्कुल ऑप्टिकल मार्क रीडर। MICR
magnetic ink character recognition,
बिल्कुल मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्निशन। हु इन्वेंटेड फास्ट कंप्यूटर माउस? अलान के, टेड नेल्सन, डगलास एंजेलबर्ट, चार्ल्स बेबेज।
Douglas.
Douglas Engelbart.
Douglas
बिल्कुल डगलास एंजेलबर्ट बिल्कुल। When a key is pressed on keyboard, which standard is used for converting keystroke into corresponding bits? When a key is pressed on keyboard, which standard is used for converting keystroke into corresponding bits? ANSI, ASCII, EBCDIC, none of these.
ACII.
नहीं, ANSI, American National Standards Institute, ANSI standard converts keystrokes into corresponding bits. ANSI. Which of the following are commonly used input devices on laptops for daily operations? Mouse and pen drive, keyboard and screen, keyboard and CD-ROM, keyboard and mouse.
Keyboard and mouse.
Keyboard and mouse. Which of the following is an input device? Optical character recognition, projector, headphone, inkjet printer. Which is an input device?
Printer. Sir.
Printer टा input ହେଇଗଲାଣି।
No, I'm a printer.
Reader,
Optical character
optical,
recognition. Optical character recognition OCR is an input device, whereas projector, headphones, and inkjet printer are output devices. Which device sends information to a computer system for processing? Monitor, input, output, printing.
input,
input.
Input.
Input बिल्कुल input device sends information to a computer system for processing. The device that converts a physical image to a digital image is called what? Scanner, printer, image converter, recorder.
scanner,
Scan.
Scanner.
Scanner बिल्कुल। Scanner is an input device through which we scan the hard copy data and convert that into digital form. Which is not an output device? Printer, plotter, scanner, speaker. Not an output device.
Scanner.
बिल्कुल
scanner,
scanner. Scanner is an input device, whereas printer, plotter, and speaker are output devices. Which of the following is an input device? Monitor, scanner, printer, speaker.
Scanner.
scanner,
Scanner.
scanner,
Scanner. Which of the following is not an in output device? Not an output device. Printer, scanner, projector, monitor.
Scanner.
Scanner.
scanner,
Scanner बिल्कुल। Scanner is an input device. In computer, whatever is typed, submitted, or transmitted is called what? Input, output,
Input.
data, circuitry.
data,
data,
Input.
Input.
Whatever is typed, submitted, or transmitted is called input in computer. Instructions to computer are given through what? Input unit, ALU, pen drive, printer. Instru-
input unit,
input
input
unit,
unit बिल्कुल input unit. Which of the following is not a part of input stage? Input stage ର part କୋଉଟା ନୁହେଁ? Data capture, data collection, performance of instructions, encoding. Data capture, data collection, performance of instructions, encoding.
एनकोडिंग
एनकोडिंग
Third,
भी एनकोडिंग भी हुए, डाटा एनकोडिंग भी हुए इनपुट रे, डाटा कैप्चर भी हुए, डाटा एनकोडिंग हुए, डाटा कलेक्शन भी हुए, but performance of instructions is not a part of input stage. Insert key on the keyboard is used to toggle between dash and dash modes through data entry. Insert key is mainly used to switch between two modes of entering text and to toggle between dash and dash modes during data entry. Insert and overwrite, backspace and overwrite, delete and insert, delete and overwrite. Insert key is used to toggle between which and which mode during data entry. Insert and overwrite modes during data entry. Insert key is mainly used to switch between two modes of entering text and to toggle between insert and overwrite modes during data entry. The default layout of most keyboards is called what? IEEE, QWERTY, Alphabet, ASCII.
क्वट्टी
20,
40.
QWERTY बिल्कुल. A device that allows you to take to a computer is dash device. Storage, input, process, output.
Process.
input,
Input बिल्कुल. Input devices are used to give instructions to the computer that allows you to take to a computer is a input device. Which is an input device? Joystick, coder, plotter, printer.
जॉयस्टिक
Joystick.
Joystick. Which of the following comprises the input devices? Keyboard, mouse, both, none of these.
बोथ
both,
Both.
both,
Both बिल्कुल. Light pen and joystick are dash devices. Storage, input, output, algorithm.
input,
Input.
Input, input बिल्कुल. Which of the following is odd one out? Trackball, antivirus, keyboard, mouse.
anti,
एंटीवायरस
Antivirus.
Antivirus. In the context of computer, trackball is a dash device. Output, input, storage, processing.
इनपुट
Input.
input,
Input. A mouse, trackball, and joystick are examples of which device? Pointing, pen
Input.
input,
Input.
data collection, multimedia. Option
pointing,
option बहुत बढ़िया. Pointing devices. ମୁଁ input option ରେ ନଥିଲା, pen input device ଥିଲା, ତ ସେଟା ନୁହେଁ. Pointing device ସବୁ option ହିସାବରେ mouse, trackball and joysticks are pointing devices. Which of the following is an example of input device? Headphone, sound card, webcam, projector.
webcam,
Webcam.
Webcam.
Webcam is an input device. Which of the following is an output device? Printer, mouse, OCR, MICR.
printer,
Printer.
बिल्कुल printer. Which of the following is an output device? Monitor, joystick, keyboard, scanner.
monitor,
Monitor.
Monitor बिल्कुल. Touchpad is a good alternative to mouse. It is an example of which device? Software device, printing device, pointing device, temporary device.
Pointing
पॉइंटिंग
device.
device,
Pointing बिल्कुल pointing device. Which of the following is used to correct the objective answer sheet? CD-ROM, MICR, OCR, barcode.
MICR. MICR.
OCR,
OCR बिल्कुल. Optical character recognition is used to check the objective answer sheet. Which of the following input devices optically scans text character by character, turns it into a machine readable code, and saves it to the system memory? Light pen, web camera, OCR, scanner. ऑप्शन तो इजी अच्छी एते भाबुची.
OCR.
OCR बिल्कुल. OCR optically scans text character by character, turns it into a machine readable code, and saves it to the system memory. For reading a candidate's choice in multiple choice question, which of the following input devices is generally used? For reading a candidate's choice in multiple choice question. MICR,
OCR.
OCR, OMR, BCR.
OMR.
OMR.
এটা তো পপুলার পুরা। OMR, optical mark reader, is an input device which is used to read a candidate's choice in multiple choice questions. In technology, OMR is used. What does M stand for? Mirroring mark magnetic manipulator.
Mark.
Mark.
Mark बिल्कुल OMR, optical mark reader. Which of the following is not an input device? Floppy drive, keyboard, mouse, microprocessor. Not an input device. Microprocessor. Floppy drive, keyboard, and mouse are input devices. Which is not an input device? Light pen, trackball, plotter, touchscreen.
Plotter. Output device.
बिल्कुल plotter is an output device. Which is not an input device? Not an input device. Light pen, mouse, keyboard, VDU.
Video.
Video.
VDU बिल्कुल.
Video.
VDU full form कौन?
Visual
Visual.
display unit.
Visual display unit बिल्कुल. What is light pen? Micro tip pen, weightless pen, pen to write in the dark, input device.
Input device.
Input device.
Device.
Input device. Microphone is a dash device. Audio signal collection, audio signal processing, input device, signal digitizing device.
Input device.
Input device बिल्कुल. Which is not an input device? Trackball, light pen, plotter, magnetic scanner.
Plotter.
Plotter.
Plotter. Which of the following groups is the only input device? তিনটা আছে. Mouse, keyboard, monitor, mouse, keyboard, printer, mouse, printer, monitor, mouse, keyboard, scanner.
Last time.
Mouse keyboard scanner.
Mouse keyboard scanner.
बिल्कुल mouse, keyboard, scanner. Which is odd one out? Compact disc, external hard drive, keyboard, digital camera.
Keyboard.
कोटा?
Keyboard.
Keyboard बिल्कुल. Keyboard is the input device. All others are storage devices. Which is a toggle key on a keyboard? Scroll lock, Alt, Shift, Control. Which is a toggle key on keyboard?
Alt.
ନାଇଁ toggle key ତିନିଟା ଅଛି
First
keyboard.
କଣ କହିଲେ?
Scroll
ଫାଷ୍ଟ କଣ ନା
scroll call
ସେଇଟା
scroll
ସେଇଟା
lock.
ସେଇଟା ସ୍କ୍ରୋଲ ଲକ୍ ସେଇଟା
Scroll lock. Nom lock, caps lock, and scroll lock are toggle keys in the keyboard. Which one works as both input and output device? Mouse, scanner, modem, monitor.
Modem.
बिल्कुल
Modem.
as it works on the principle of both input and output. That's why modem works as in both input and output device. A combination of keyboard and visual display unit is called a what? Mouse, port, terminal, cable.
ଟର୍ମିନାଲ
Terminal. A computer terminal is an electronic or electromechanical hardware device used to display or print data in a computer. It includes keyboard and video. How many keys are there on keyboard for alphabet?
26.
26. बिल्कुल 26. Dash keys are present on the top row of the keyboard. Function, arrow,
Function keys.
Function key.
numerical.
Function key.
Function keys बिल्कुल. QWERTY keyboard. QWERTY keyboard design was originally intended for what reason? QWERTY keyboard design was originally intended to dash make typing more efficient, make typing harder and inefficient, improve the typing accuracy, improve the typing speed. Originally कोउथि डिजाइन हितला QWERTY keyboard.
टाइपिंग स्पीड पे
देखिवा कि करेक्ट कोच
Accuracy.
accuracy टाइपिंग स्पीड आउ
ऑप्शन 2 कौन कहले?
making typing more efficient, making typing harder and inefficient, improve the typing accuracy, improve the typing speed.
Efficient.
More efficient.
Correct answer हला QWERTY was originally created to make typing difficult and inefficient. Originally थिला प्रपोज एटा तो 1868 रे इन्वेंट करथिले क्रिस्टोफर सील्ड्स QWERTY टाइपराइटर थिले से जण. Normally a QWERTY keyboard has how many keys? 98, 100, 104, 120. 104 बिल्कुल. The wild card character for matching any number of characters is which sign? Hyphen, ampersand, asterisk, dollar. Wild card character for matching any number of characters.
Asterisk से
Asterisk,
जो स्टार वाला सिंबल.
little star symbol जोटा asterisk कहती matches letters. It is located on number 8 key of keyboard. To use the number pad as directional, the key is pressed. Which key is pressed? To use the number pad as directional. Num lock, era lock, shift lock, caps lock.
नाम लक.
Num lock.
Nominal.
बिल्कुल num lock. Which keys on the keyboard can be used to type numbers quickly? Function key, numeric keypad, touchpad, control.
Numeric keypad.
Numeric keypad बिल्कुल numeric keypad. Shift key and print screen key in a computer keyboard are called which keys? Shift key and print screen keys. Standard keys, function keys, navigation key, special purpose key.
Special purpose key.
स्पेशल पर्पस.
बिल्कुल special purpose keys. Shift key and print screen key. Next, Africa. Africa. कौन अफ्रीका?
Orange.
What is the currency of Botswana? Franc, dinar, kwanza, pula. What is the currency of Botswana? Franc.
पुला.
Pula.
बिल्कुल पुला. पुला इज द करेन्सी ऑफ बोट्सवाना. केते बढ़िया नाटा पुला. आजिठू राजेश ना हला पुला. Next, what is the currency of Democratic Republic of Congo?
CFA.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Frank Center.
CFA, Central African कौन कि जाने सीएफए फ्रांक सॉरी सीएफए फ्रांक नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ अल्जीरिया सेम ऑप्शन
अल्जीरियन डिनर
डिनार बहुत बढ़िया अल्जीरियन डिनार अल्जीरिया डिनार इजिप्ट व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ इजिप्ट
पाउंड
बिल्कुल व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ इथियोपिया
B.
बीर बहुत बढ़िया बीर BIRR बीर इथियोपिया नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ घाना
सेदी
सेदी
सेडी
ओह सेदी सेदी माने कौन सुंदर संबलपुरिया रे सेदी माने कौन
उमन अधिक के जानवर है
कौन कौन
उमन अधिक के जानवर है
सेदी माने सियाड़े और नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ लिबिया
कोना
लिबिया
डिनर
डिनार बहुत बढ़िया डिनार लिबियन डिनार तो लिबियन जानिबा दरकार नहीं एग्जाम रे ओनली करेंसी टा पचारियो डिनार व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ केनिया
Ceiling.
सीलिंग बहुत
Ceiling.
सीलिंग करेंसी वाला सीलिंग व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ मॉरिशस
रूपी मॉरिशियस रूपी
रूपी बहुत बढ़िया रूपी व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ मोरक्को
दिरहम
डिरहम
दिरहम
डिरहम करेंसी वाला डिरहम व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ नाइजीरिया
नाइरा
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 एठी तो झियोंक ना होची नाइरा और करेंसी ना भी नाइरा हे गलानी नाइजीरिया रा करेंसी वाला नाइरा व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ जिम्बाब्वे
डॉलर
डॉलर बहुत बढ़िया जिम्बाब्वे रा करेंसी डॉलर व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ सेशेल्स सेचेल्स
रूपी
रूपी बिल्कुल रूपी और दीटा अफ्रिकान कंट्री सेचेल्स आ मॉरिशस पाखरे पाखरे अछंती करेंसी वाला रूपी व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ साउथ सुदान
पाउंड
डॉलर
पाउंड सुदान हो कि साउथ सुदान हो दीटा जाकर करेंसी पाउंड व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका
रैंड
रैंड
बिल्कुल व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ तांजानिया
सीलिंग
सीलिंग
सीलिंग बिल्कुल तांजानिया सीलिंग उगांडा
सीलिंग
सीलिंग
सीलिंग रुवांडा
हां
रुवांडा रुवांडा
रवांडा
युगांडा फ्रैंक
फ्रांक बिल्कुल रुवांडा है फ्रांक नामीबिया
कोना
नामीबिया
डॉलर
डॉलर बिल्कुल नामीबिया डॉलर व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ इरिट्रिया एरा के कहबो
इरिट्रिया फ्रैंक बोलिया कोटे कोन नाटा हो नाव रे पड़ियो
नाकफा
नक्फा
नाकफा नाकफा
नक्फा
नाकफा बिल्कुल मोर फेवरेट कंट्री व्हाट इज द करेंसी ऑफ बुर्किना फासो